What to do if I just lost everything and have to start all over again? Hey, Ronaldo here, and in this video I want to share with you what to do if I lost everything and I have to start all over again. So as you know, my journey started on 2008, but so little of you know that my journey is actually starting from 2004. 2004 is the darkest era of my life, which is I lost my family factory due to fire, and it only left me with 100,000 US debt, and that is really painful for me. And after that, not long after that, my mom got Stephen Johnson disease syndrome, which is almost died, but fortunately everything, my mom is recovered like 95%. So thank God that's what happened. So what I'm going to do if that is happening to me again, like I just lost everything because of the fire, and wait, like in Chinese, I need to say, like tapping the desk and saying 一二三. It's mean like make sure it's not happening again to me. But anyway, I want to share with you about the when I have to start all over again. In sidebar, 一二三 is 1, 2, 3 in English. Okay, so if I have to start all over again, in terms of learning the rendering skill, what I will do is I will find a mentor. Why I have to find a mentor? Mentor is not necessarily you buying a course or hiring a coach. Mentor is someone that you adore. Like there is a market leader and like a thought leader or a professional 3D artist that you can count on, and because their work is really legit and they have a very good perspective. So you can learn from there, yeah. And after that, trying to learn about how they create the image, and then reverse engineer. You definitely can discuss with them, spoke with them, and tell everything about your story. And chances are those kind of person going to love to share something with you, even though it's not very specific. It's more like motivation, right? It's more like guidance. And definitely from there, from those kind of reverse engineering his process or her process, you will be able to get the step-by-step proven production workflow. Or definitely you can find a course that can give you the step-by-step production workflow framework. And then from there, you can start looking for tutorial out there, which is either it's free or you can find it on YouTube or Google based on that framework. So it's kind of like do it yourself, the DIY. So that is what I'm going to do if I lost everything and I have to start all over again. But rest assured, you can get the step-by-step proven production framework by clicking the link on the description below or somewhere in this video. So if you enjoying this video and brought value to you, please don't forget, again, I always remind you to like, share, and then press the subscription and the bell button on our channel and follow our fan page so you can have a new update when we upload a new video. And don't forget to tag your friend as many as possible on the comment below so they can have the benefit from this video. My name is Ronaldo and from 2G Studio, and I'll see you on the next video.